Hey, Amazon sellers, Francis here, Mary Marketing. I hope everybody out there is doing fantastic. So today's reel, what to do when you wake up in the morning and you find out that your seller account has been deactivated, suspended. First thing you need to be doing, analyzing why the account went down, okay? Look at your account health. Look at your seller performance notifications. Make sure you do a thorough analysis as to why the seller account has gone down. Number two, you should be looking for bona fide, qualified, and genuine assistance that's going to help you get your Amazon seller account back, okay? I do not recommend doing it on your own. Right now, Amazon is just suspending thousands of sellers, guys, and if you're going to do it on your own, you're taking a very, very big risk. You're going to be permanently banned from the platform, and it's really going to be game over. You need to be doing your homework. You need to find people like myself that actually know what they're doing and can help you get back on the platform and get you winning again. So contact me, guys, for a free consultation if you find yourself in this situation. I'm here to help.